And this is what would happen if the moon exploded. The moon, our celestial companion, constant and serene, shattered. It was a night like any other, the sky clear and the stars shining with their usual brilliance. No one could have anticipated what was about to happen. It wasn't a whimper, but a roar. A sound so deep and powerful that it resonated through the vacuum of space, reaching even the farthest corners of Earth. A blinding flash, visible even against the sunlit sky, signaled the unthinkable. The explosion was so bright that for a moment night turned into day. Our moon, once a beacon of hope and wonder, was now a cascade of cosmic debris hurtling through space. The fragments of the moon scattered in all directions, creating a spectacle as beautiful as it was terrifying. The night the moon shattered, the world watched in disbelief. The unthinkable had happened. People gathered in the streets, staring at the sky in awe and fear. The familiar face in the night sky, the source of poets' inspiration and scientists' fascination, was gone. The moon's absence left a palpable void in the heart of humanity. In its place, a swirling cloud of dust and rock, a cosmic scar marking the void where our moon once hung. This cloud, illuminated by starlight, became a constant reminder of the fragility of our universe. The night the moon shattered, the world changed forever. Immediately afterward, panic gripped the world. The light of the exploding moon, 1,000 new suns, illuminated the night side of Earth. It was a beautiful and terrifying spectacle, a stark reminder of the universe's raw power. But the beauty was fleeting. Soon, the real consequences of the disaster began to unfold. The Earth, no longer tethered by the moon's gravity, began to wobble on its axis, its once stable rotation thrown into chaos. Then came the rain of fire. Millions of tons of lunar debris propelled by the force of the explosion bombarded Earth. Cities crumbled, forests burned, and the once familiar landscape transformed into an inferno, the air choked with dust and ash, blotting out the sun. The planet, once teeming with life, was now shrouded in darkness, its surface scarred by the wounds of 1,000 impacts. Without the moon, the oceans also felt the impact. The tides, once a predictable rhythm of ebb and flow, ceased. Coastal cities, built on the delicate balance of the sea, found themselves exposed to the ocean's full fury or stranded inland. The delicate balance of marine ecosystems collapsed. Fish migrated erratically, coral reefs bleached and died, and the once abundant oceans became silent and barren. A world without seasons. As the initial chaos subsided, the long-term consequences of the moon's destruction began to emerge. Without the moon's gravitational influence, the Earth's axial tilt, the very reason we have seasons, began to fluctuate wildly. Weather patterns became unpredictable and extreme. Summers became unbearably hot, winters bitterly cold and long. The once predictable rhythm of the seasons, upon which agriculture and life itself depended, was thrown into chaos. Darkness falls. The loss of moonlight had a profound impact on nocturnal animals. Deprived of their primary source of light, many species struggled to hunt and navigate, and their populations plummeted. The delicate balance of ecosystems, already strained by the loss of the moon's gravitational influence, unraveled further. The darkness also had a psychological impact on humans. The moon, once a source of comfort and inspiration, was gone, replaced by a chilling void. The collapse of life's rhythms. The moon's disappearance disrupted more than just the tides and seasons. The moon, with its constant presence, has been a beacon in the night sky, guiding not only navigators but also nature itself. Many organisms, from simple sea creatures to humans, have internal clocks synchronized with the lunar cycle. These biological clocks, known as circadian rhythms, are essential for regulating sleep cycles, reproduction, and other vital behaviors. The loss of this celestial timekeeper had unforeseen consequences for the delicate balance of life. Scientists watched in amazement as nature, once predictable and orderly, became chaotic and disorganized. Reproductive cycles were thrown into disarray, with many species unable to find the right time to breed. Breeding grounds, once sanctuaries of life, became places of confusion and despair. Migration patterns were disrupted, leaving many species stranded in inhospitable locations. Birds, which relied on the moon to navigate, found themselves lost in the vast sky, and the finely tuned rhythms of the natural world faltered. Plants, which depended on lunar cues to bloom, grew erratically, impacting the entire food chain. The moon's absence was felt in every corner of the biosphere, from the deep oceans to the highest mountains. Ecosystems, once harmonious, showed signs of stress and disruption, a constant reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. The moon, though distant, was a vital thread in the fabric of life on Earth, and its loss showed us just how fragile that balance is. Humanity's uncertain future. In the face of such devastation, humanity struggled to survive. The loss of the moon was a stark reminder of our vulnerability, our precarious existence on this pale blue dot. Yet even amidst the ruins, humanity's indomitable spirit flickered. Scientists and engineers worked tirelessly to adapt to the new reality, to find ways to mitigate the worst effects of the moon's absence. But the future remained uncertain, a chilling testament to the fragility of our existence. Our fragile oasis in space. The night the moon shattered was an event no one could have foreseen. The world changed forever, and humanity faced a new reality. It was a wake-up call, a rude awakening in the middle of the night, a stark reminder of the fragility of our existence and how everything can change in an instant. The preciousness of our planet became even more apparent, with its diverse landscapes and natural beauty. The moon, once our celestial companion, was now a warning, a constant reminder of our vulnerability, a symbol of the immense power of the universe and the cosmic forces that surround us. It reminded us of our own vulnerability within its infinite embrace, and the need to cherish our home. As we look up at the night sky, now forever altered, we feel a mix of awe and fear. Let us remember the lessons of the lost moon and reflect on our place in the cosmos. Let us cherish our fragile oasis in the vastness of space, a unique place teeming with life and wonder. Let us strive to protect it, to conserve its beauty and resources for future generations, because it's the only home we have, and its preservation is our shared responsibility.